Regardless of what path you plan to take with your art, preserving and caring for your work is an important, often under-recognized aspect of painting. If you follow the guidelines we learned throughout this class, you can better ensure the longevity of your art for generations. The class could never be fully comprehensive, as each subject is just too broad. But I hope you finished this class feeling more well-rounded. If you discover other methods, test them. Do they line up with best practices? I would encourage you to go to an art museum. Make a trip of it, but this time, instead of just looking at the art, observe how they illuminate the artwork. Can you detect the color temperature? Is it warm or cool? Do they use spotlights, ambient light, or a combination of both? And do they allow some natural light? How do they hang the work? And what kind of hanging design do they use? What frames did they choose for the paintings, and why do you think that was? Did they use a liner, for example, and why? And how do the names correlate to the artwork? How do the artists sign their work? You can see we've learned a lot throughout this course. So now you can return to painting, feeling confident that you know what to do after you paint. If you feel you could use more painting instruction, you may want to check out my other courses. I also have a popular YouTube channel with a lot of extra content. Good luck to all of you in your painting, and feel free to contact me with questions.